I had learned a while ago that the University of Maine at Orono had 3D printed a 600 square foot tiny house, and I wanted to learn more about it. As luck would have it, my daughter was graduating from the University of Maine at Orono, and so when I went up there for the ceremony, I brought my camera with me and my drone and sought out that tiny house so I could take a closer look at it. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I found. Hey guys, my name's Michael and my partner is Margaret, and if you'd like to learn everything there is to know about living in southern Maine, click subscribe and tap the bell so that you can be the first to learn about the current market in southern Maine. Okay, here we are at the University of Maine checking out the 3D printed house. Let's take a look. All right, let's get close up and take a look at it. You can see all the lines from the 3D printing, and then it looks like they may have painted it. You can see down here where the 3D printing got a little wonky, but it looks like it's every bit as tight as it is up above. And then this is some type of Trex flooring. It's a nice shower. The doors look like they're made of real wood. Let's see if I can get right in here. And that goes into the bedroom. And the bathroom's off to the right. And then over that way. See if I can. Nope. I'll go to another window so you can see inside a little bit better. Yeah, isn't that cool? You can tell the ceiling's all 3D printed as well. Pretty big kitchen. Wow, dining room off to the left. And you can see there's a sofa right there. Yeah, TV on the wall. Kitchen off to the right. Very nice. Yes, I know that I read online that they're trying to find out how the structure is going to take the winters. So they have sensors and they're just kind of monitoring the structure to see how it does. Come around to the side, you can see it's got a canvas over it around the whole thing, just to make sure it's weather tight. Guys, if you're thinking about relocating to southern Maine, you may want to download a copy of our free relocation guide. You'll find details about this in the description down below. Now let's get back to our video. There's like some type of rope that's going over to help hold the canvas over the top of it to make sure that it's watertight. Take a look in here. You can see those windows I was standing at a moment ago. Dining room, living room on the other side. This is the back door. Yeah, really cool. Kitchen. Looks like these might be some heat pumps. And the bedroom is pretty big. Queen bed, plenty of room for nightstands. So I probably have open houses on it or whatever, and you can find out. I'll splash the number that they have on the front door so that you can, in case you want to make an appointment to come to the University of Maine or Orono. Looks like all of this trim was 3D printed. The siding feels very similar to like a hardy board, and I'll see if I can find any information about how that was possibly printed. I'll take the drone up and fly overhead to give you an idea of what it looks like from up above. Okay, while I'm buzzing over the roof, guys, I just wanted to point out that the house is about 600 square feet. Was printed in 4 pieces, and they blew cellulose insulation into the cavities in the roof and the walls. It's all been pre-wired electrical work. Obviously you have to hire a plumber to come in and do that, but it took less than a day to put the whole thing together once it was printed. Apparently this house was a learning exercise, learn about manufacturing process and learn about how it's going to handle the winters. There's as I pointed out, there's sensors to monitor performance and temperature and things like that. And they hope to print out the first 3D printed neighborhood. They're talking to a developer about doing some land in Bangor, Maine. And the whole house can be recycled at the end of its life. So I thought that was pretty cool. If you like this video, please give it a like. It tells Google to put it in the search results when other people search on 3D printed homes. And if you have a comment, please put it down below. Please be nice. And remember, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, just give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or our favorite, schedule a Zoom. And until next time, we hope to show you around town.